अच्छा अभी जो है जी हमारा this one is basically if we are working in the plant for visibility purpose we are using a reflective vest. Okay, the different design, different colors have a different purpose. This type of reflective vest mostly foreman, supervisor, engineer, or all peoples they can use to this type of reflective vest. But special sometimes we are giving us some responsibility. For example, riggers, fire watchman, standby man. At that time we are changing the colors. The people they understand this guy have a special some responsibility. Mr. Bilal or Mr. Yes, you come. You have a give me one by one item. You stay here. You stay here, no problem. Take this. Okay. Give me next this one. See, this type of color is same. Reflective vest is also the person can wear, but something is written to their observer. Okay, means the person who is a safety officer or supervisor or somebody, they can wear today, or some observer, they can wear this type of same reflective vest, but there is some sign, the sign of company sign, and then after that they written a safety officer or something. The this type orange reflective vest, the when we are assigning any safety, this one fire watchman, hall watchman, or rigger, at that time we are giving up the special color to those flagmen. They are wearing to this type of reflective vest at that time. Okay, the people they understand this person have some special responsibility or duty. Yeah. This type of also reflective vest we are using to there. This is very simple. Some engineer, project manager, and also you see there at the airport in the rigger who is giving signal to aeroplane. That person is also wearing this short reflective vest. But this is only reflective vest, reflective tape is there, but very easy in the hard weather. Also people, they feel relaxed, they can stay there at the area and not too much hot. By this purpose they are using this type of reflective vest. It's also good, and some people, senior people, they are using this type of reflective vest. Yeah. This is also sometimes riggers, rigger helpers, they people they are using this colors, forward man, standby man, these are people they can use. This is also for the workers, same reflective vest the people can use to their exercise. This is also separate to them. Give to me other thing. Yeah. This one is respirator. Okay, this respirator have a very good facility. There is a 3 filter is there, 1, 2, and this one is third one. This one filter, and this one changeable. We can change the refrigerator. If there is coming some dust or some chemical or something, then after that we can replace this filter, and this one also. And this is one more positive thing. The people they can wear, Mister. You can use to this. Take and use to this filter by yourself. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, give a little bit. See? Yeah, no. Check. Coming. Yeah. See, now the person can breathe to there and he can breathe filter air. Okay? There is 3 filter. And sometimes when the person is working to there, we have a one. If we have some compressor, we can use to this, put the connection of the from the compressor, and the person can breathe from this line. Okay? Then at that time we can close this like this. Okay? There is a system. This one is only face respirator. Okay, remove. This is very important thing, escape respirator. This one for escape purpose, if the very dangerous gases or chemical or some important thing, there is person cannot stay to that area. At that time we are using this escape respirator. This escape respirator price is a $500. And case of emergency, if person have a beer and for especially very dangerous gas, phosphine, in the Sadara plant we are using to this one. This number is 32. Okay? The standard number is 32 dredge. And this type of respirator we are using in case of emergency we take and remove, and then after that the person can take in the mouth, in the teeth, these 2 bits, one and this one. they can take in the mouth, then after that coming this parts inside the shoulder, then person can breathe by this, by mouth. And they close the nose by this, okay? This clamp came in the nose and this one is going to mouth, then person have a single way. Only he can breathe by mouth. And this escape respirator is a very important device. Anybody can try? Must have a handkerchief in your pocket. Yeah, please give tissue paper. Yeah. You can wear because beer person they can use to this because SCABA mostly beer person they cannot use, but this one beer person also can use. Yeah, take tip, yeah, put in the mouth, close your nose and breathe by this filter. Yeah, breathe by mouth. It's okay. You can breathe. Have any difficulty? Okay. But nobody can talk. When he is wearing to this, he cannot talk. Only he breathes by mouth and he can escape from there. He can go to inside the shelter in place only. Not an assembly point. Shelter in place. Then after that, the people they can rescue to them. They can arrange some airtight vehicles. Then after that, they can go to from that area to safe place. Thank you. Yeah. This one can have a sound value 85 decibel. The person can work 8 hours. Okay, more than 8 hours if he is working with there, then 85 decibels area is not suitable, but not acceptable. And more than, then also if the sound value is more than 85, then we are using an ear plug. Okay, the small one, then we put inside and then we can use. But if the sound value is more than 100, 120 like this, then we are going to reduce, we use the ear muff, this one ear muff, okay? This is fixed with the helmet, we tie there and then person can use to this. This is a more safe. And ear plug, we can use from 85 to 100. But more than 100, then when going to sound value is more than this is a more protection and we can use with the helmet and we can protect our hearing system. This one fixed with the helmet, this one is portable, okay? Simply without helmet, is sometimes we use this type of, we can use to there without helmet. There's outside have a clip, only we tie there, then after that we can use to this type of earphone. This same escape respirator is same, this one is different. Okay, this is not escape respirator. This is a 3100. This design is called 3100, Ridge 3100, see there. And this type of respirator mostly how we are using same like this, if I hanging like this, and only I take, how we remove, only we put this, okay, case of emergency, and then after that we open the respirator from there. And this is simple but easy. If the person, they have some activities, they are painting or some other side, they have some activities, we can use to this. And we keep in front of nose, and then after that we breathe by this. This is covering to our nose and mouth both. Now Mr. Bilal, he is showing to you how they can wear. This is beside we can tie and the person can stay there. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now his nose and mouth both closed. If he is breathing, he can breathe from the filter. And the previous one you seen, there is a, we tied the nose, but this one he can breathe by the nose, he can breathe by mouth. Both sides he can use. But continually he must be used because if there is some fumes, sometimes weldings, there is a very dangerous environment or some smell, bad smell or some pets, at that time we can use to this type of respirator. Okay, this is a sample respirator. Yeah. See, already we attended a training also and see survival training. Also I offered to Shah sir, but the new person is difficult, but everybody, if they want to swim in too much time and there is a not a suitable area and continue, they want to go across that area long time, they can stay inside the water. At that time we are using this type of goggles. They close the nose and only visibility we can see by this, and upside the levels we can stay there. And this one we can use to there, this one coming to there, And then after that, the person can stay in the water 5 hours, 10 hours, no problem. He can swim also. He can travel one place to other place. But how? Because he is willing to this. Then after that, this is going to mouth. Okay, they can breathe from there. Mouth breathe respirator before we talk about that. This one also mouth breathes breather, breathing. This one we can hold, then after we breathe, and this is our mouth is going to inside the water, but this one staying outside, we can breathe from here. Okay? This is the breathing purpose. And we can breathe by mouth, not a nose. Nose is closed by this. And we can see inside the water also. And we can breathe. But not we are going too much deep. Only we can, head our can go to inside the water. Okay? This side is staying outside. And sometimes if somebody he want to identify himself, he can use to this and cross to one place to other place. Okay? This one is you can hold and use. Yeah, this one. Now you see, if he is holding in the mouth, sure. At that time, see, now he can breathe by this. You breathe by this, breathe, nose is closed, only he breathe one there, and now his body position is like this. See, inside the water, keep down. See, this is the position in the water, and his head is down, but he can breathe from this. Okay? This water is also not going to inside, because this covered already covered. Water is not going to inside. Water is staying outside, and here, head is also down, but he can breathe. He can keep the eyes inside the water, he can see inside the water, he can breathe inside the water, but air going from there. Clear? Okay.
Sir, is this pipe is extendable or not?
Yeah, other one, but this one is only short one. Easily we can breathe there, outside the water. See, this is our full body harness. This is very important device. If we are working 1.8 meter, if we have a height 1.8 meter or above, we can use this full body harness. Okay? And this is very important. This one is we can use to self-arrest system. Okay? The person if the fall from there and after that person can stay there. This one is shock absorber. But manufacturer shock absorber inside the lanyard. And mostly lanyard we are keeping 1.5 meters and double hook lanyard with double hook. If we are traveling to somewhere, for example, we must be tied 100%. We can tie one hook to one way, any side, and then after that we move from there to other side. Okay? By this purpose we can travel by two hooks. One hook we hang it to there, then other hook we can transfer to our own location, one place to other place. If we hang a one hook and other is in our hand, what is this, 100% or? 100%. Because we are already tied, if we slip from there and we can save, we are safe. It's okay. Now see, this one is self-contained breathing apparatus. Okay? This is our hold. Can you hold? Yeah. This is our, I'm showing to you. This one is 300 bar. 300 bars mean we can use to this type of fire, this scuba cylinder for 30 minutes. Okay? 30 minutes we can use this. And there is also some devices, this is proper holder. When we are using this in the mouth, at that time we press this button, we can remove by this. And we tie to there properly, there is a proper system in there. This check we gauge everything. If there is a fit, proper air, then we can use same like this. See, there is air, pressure. If the pressure is missing or not a pressure, we cannot keep to this type of cylinder, we must be refilled again. And now the pressure is well. Also we have a gauge for this, I'm showing you. Hold this. Okay. Yeah, this one is gauge meter. Okay? We can check the pressure is there. See, this is the pressure. Now this is showing how much bar. Okay, if there is less than this, we can change and we can change this compressor cylinder again. But now how we use, we press and then after that we fix with this and then after that we can use. This is a mouthpiece. Okay? This mouthpiece always we check with the person if that one is suitable and matching with our face, then after that we can use. Here to this. This is a mouthpiece. Okay, this one also will be. And after that we connect to there, but now we are not going to connect, we only be showing to you one piece. And in the cold weather, mostly we are covering to our peoples and we are providing a proper facility to peoples. And this is a company, Reflective Waste. Yeah. This is a coverall. Mostly we are using this FRC fire resistance cloth. And HSE team, they are wearing this type of colors there. HSE person, they are wearing to this type of colors. The second one I'm showing to you, this is a fire electrical department, okay? This is 16 curies. The mostly we are using, this is also FRC, okay? Fire resistance cloth. And this one, flame resistance. And for electrical teams, they are using to this type of. And this is also coverall. The people, they are working there at the site, they can use to this type. The other last one is very important. Reflect. This is also FRC, but for the cold weather and for flesh out, we are using to this type of coverall. See how much thick? Too much. Okay? Too much. This one is already we read now with the cooperation of Mr. Sardar Sahab. We already checked to there. We cannot remove to this. This one FR, fire resistance. Okay? This is also written to there FR, fire resistance cloth. And inside also have a very thick, and if their flesh is coming to their arc flesh, then at that time also person can save. This is for arc flesh in the electric cells when we are giving some pushing the breakers, and at that time we wear to this thing. Okay? And special something about the helmet. That helmet give to me. Mostly, we are using the sample helmet which one have a front side cap. In the helmet, we have a several type of helmet. This type of helmet, when we are using, if we are going to inside the plant, there is some chemical overhead lines. At that time, if chemical drops coming to down and attach in our body, here or anywhere, then we are not safe. By this reason, mostly we are using inside that plant this round type of helmet, because this one protecting to us in the round. Our body is safe. This type of helmet, some special sides. And mostly in the outside, top managers, these people, they are using to this type of. It's okay. And life raft, about life raft we are using to there. Do you have any life raft? Full time with there. Some other, you've seen this one, or we have some dimmies. This one for training purpose, CPR purpose, we are using. Yeah, this is a life raft. This is very important thing for us in our board, offshore training, sea survival training. We are using this life raft. Okay, life buoy. This is a life buoy. Okay, when the person is going inside the water or fell down from the boat, ships, at that time we can throw with the rope. We tie with the rope, and then after that we throw this, the person can catch. And then after that we can pull the person get out from there. Okay, this is a important thing. And this is also a special thing for us, the life jackets. Everybody, if they're working offshore and inside the sea and any side and near to edge of the sea at the bridge, upside the offshore, at that time everybody is wearing to life jacket. This is very important thing. Yeah, this type of goggles, there is not a breathing system. If the person is going to inside, searching to somebody is fell down in the water, at that time we can use to this type of goggles. Okay, the person, if he is going to inside the water, at that time we close the nose, we can see, this is for visibility purpose, and person can wear, and then after that the guys, he can search to there inside the water, it's something fell down there, or we are going to catch and bring to out the person, he can wear to this. This is safe for eyes also safe, nose is closed, and breathing also we cannot do inside the waters, and person can see to everything, and he can catch out something if the fell down inside the water. It's okay. Mostly items are clear, but we have some other things. and practically, but this is related to the presentation. Mostly items are clear. Thank you, Mr. And now, who is responsible? You are responsible. You need to these all things, then after that this material is going to there. Take this and come. आगे ये मटीरियल आपने बचाना आपने कैसे बचाते हैं